Hey guys, this is a short video of how to put a new battery in the vehicle. Where in this case, it's a Mazda 2. So I just came from the store and I got this for 4,400 pesos. So I got it tested already, so I know that the battery is fully charged. So that's one thing that you need to make sure that you do before you buy it. Get it tested, see if it's full, and also make sure that the battery is in good condition, new, and so that when you put it on in the vehicle or in the slot, everything is good. You don't want it to be like strapped and hooked and everything, and then you find out that your battery is not in good condition or discharged or something. I don't know. So just make sure that you got all of that done prior to. So make sure also that you have the tools that you need to get this thing put back on, and in this case just this wrench socket. It's 10 millimeter. That's what I need. So you might need something else for your vehicle. Anyway, so I'm gonna put this thing in there, and just make sure that you connect the positive first before anything else. Okay, so we're gonna proceed. So first and foremost, you gotta make sure that your contacts are good. I've already brushed this thing with a steel brush, and on this side as well. So the contact is gonna be good whenever you put it on there. This is pretty clean already. It was worse a while ago. So yeah, so the next thing I'm gonna do is set the battery in this slot here. This is the sleeve that came with this. You just kind of slide it back down there where it used to be. And it should be secure right there. As you can see, the old battery does not, it's not the same size as the new battery. So good thing that it came with a bracket. Hold it in its place. So I'm gonna put the bracket on there, same as last time. Once it's hooked to its spot, then you can tighten it up. Make sure it's tight. You don't want this thing to come loose while you're driving. It's gonna be a bad day if it does happen. You might get in your engine, hit the fan, hit something, I don't know. should be tight. All right. So positive first. Give it a quick tap, make sure it's flushed down. And then tighten it up. Red is positive, positive sign. Red wire, so that should be good. Cover it, so for your own safety, you might touch both while you're trying to hook the negative. So now that you got that secured, even if you touch it while holding this, you're not gonna get electrocuted. It's sparked already, so that should be a good sign. There you got good contact. And tighten it up. That is tight. So you got both of them going and attached. So the only real next thing to do now is to start up the engine.